Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
We went to the zoo. We crossed the road from the zebra crossing. We saw a boy near the zebra cage. We saw boys near to the zebra cage. Remember, cross the road safely.
Let's meet with new sounds.
Zzz, zzz, zzz.
Let's do actions with me.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Zoo, zebra, zebra crossing. Zzz, zzz, zoo. Zzz, zzz, zebra. Zzz, zzz, zebra crossing. Dear kids, what do you know about zoo? Name some animals you have seen in the zoo.
see you in the next lesson.